Looks like the night, shiny night with this LED shining off of it, so we'll wait till the morning and we'll see what it looks like. But I think did a pretty good job, so let's see. Thanks for clicking again on the channel. Let me see, get the light right. Alright, so today we are going to be working on trying to get the rest of this paint off of the hood, and then I think I'm going to plasti dip it black or some crazy color. I don't know, give it a little bit more personality. Mowgli needs a facelift, so I'm going to start scraping that. See, I already hit this stuff with the heat gun once, so try to get it off as best as we can. Alright, so I'm unfolding all the newspaper here to tape everything off. And what are you, hot mud? Jeez, take a breath. We're gonna open up the hood, tape everything off. Alright, so I know I didn't get all this stuff right here, but it's peeling rubber stuff. It's not Plasti Dip, but it's something like it. So if I don't like how it looks, I'll just peel it all back off. And this gave me nightmares back to when I was scraping the whole van, so I'm done with it. Alright, first coat is on. Barely nothing, that's what it says, so you can get the bond between the coats. So I'm gonna wait 20 minutes. A lot more sparkly than I had anticipated, but that's guess Mowgli's going for the Galaxy look. You can see the sparkles. Alright, so I think that was coat number 4 or 5, but either way I did a much heavier, thicker coat for the 4th one. And now you can start to see more of the shine coming through. So, probably go for another 4 or 5 rounds. Quite the process, guys. We are on coat 5. But you know, we got the lights on in the van though. You know, let everybody who drives by the apartment complex know that the inside looks better. What? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boys and girls. Much nicer in the sun. Definitely it's not Plasti Dip, but it definitely has a rubber type substance to it. It's probably how it bonds so well. See how it does. Hey guys, just wanted to say thank you for making it to yet again another ending of a van build episode. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll have some goofy stuff out for you soon. Alright, peace guys.